Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best Drunken gourmet strawberries, y'all. And this is part of my Day of Love series. And you know, we're gonna do some DIY treats, y'all, because why spend $50 when you can do it yourself, right? And they're super delicious, and we're gonna infuse them with some Moscato, y'all. So super simple, just wait and see. And this recipe will be under my delicious desserts playlist. Make sure you check these out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some almond bark. So I have white here. You can also do the dark chocolate one, but I have semi-sweets. I have a couple of oils and then the strawberries. So I have the larger size strawberries, and these actually came from Aldi. Don't they look amazing? And then I also have just a small bottle of pink Moscato and some gold cupcake holders, but any kind you use are fine. And then I have a mixture of some chopped up pecans that I've chopped again, some mini chocolate chips, some sprinkles, some chopped up white chocolate chips, and some more. So any type of toppings are useful. And then I have some heavy cream, and you'll see what I'll use that for here in a minute. So on the melting method, you can do a double boiler, but I'm doing this easy today. So I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to switch out the bowls and put the other one in for 30 seconds, and then switch it again. And then I'm going to do it in increments of 10 seconds until all of the chocolate is melted. So here we go. Now the chocolate, the white chocolate has melted fine. So when I have the heavy cream, that is just in case, because as you can see, the dark chocolate is just a little finicky. So I just put a little bit of heavy cream, not too much, until it gets to the consistency that I'm looking for. So once those are mixed up, I'm going to set them off to the side, and we're getting ready to dip. So all you do is pull the stem up, and then you're going to just pull them back and then dip it into the chocolate on all sides. So just kind of give it a little twirl, and then shake off any excess, and then dip it into your toppings. And you can use a cup holder or whatever works best for you, but you know, just super simple, no mess, no fuss. And then again, whatever toppings you want, it works. And listen, no edible arrangements needed. You can do this at home, and it takes no time, and probably ingredients you already have, and you can just fill any spaces like so. So on the cookies, I'm just going to dip them and tap them with a fork so all of the excess falls down until you have a smooth top. So again, cover it up and tap until you have a smooth surface, and then set it on the wax paper to set up. So I'm going to finish doing the rest of my cookies. So while I do that, use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you so much to those who already have subscribed and are watching my videos and commenting. I appreciate you guys so much, and shout out to my fellow creators. Hey y'all. So these are going to go into the freezer for about 10 minutes, or you can put it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20. I just want them to set up. So I am going to do a DIY box. So you don't need any fancy boxes. This is actually just a lid from a shoebox, right? And so all you need is your cup holders, your tape, some scissors, and some butcher paper that I have. Any type of paper will do. And all I'm going to do is put some tape into the base of the lid. And you guys, this lid went right back on the shoes after you're done with it. So there's no commitment, no need to go out and buy anything. You can just find a way to repurpose something in your own house, because this is DIY homemade, but it is, you know, more affordable and budget friendly, y'all. So once you have your paper secure, I just have some tulle that I got from Dollar Tree, some glittery tulle, and I'm just going to create some layers, not too much, because our strawberries still have to go in here, but you know, just, you know, a little shush like so, you know, and it is that simple. So out of the freezer, I'm taking out our treats, and I am going to use my injector, and I'm just going to take out some of the Moscato and then one of the strawberries. So with the coating, it has set, and you're just going to inject it right into there. So that coating is going to help it keep that juice inside, or Moscato inside rather, and there you go. That simple. So make sure if you're going to share this with your kids, you don't give them any, because it's alcohol. So, or you can give them a bite and they're out for the night, but y'all didn't hear that from me. But here you go, and you can arrange it anyway. But isn't this just a cute idea? Something so simple, and you did it yourself. But hold on, let me let you get that bite. Look at this, y'all. So good. And that shot of Moscato is perfect in these strawberries. Happy Valentine's Day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys try this out, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.